Good morning, I'm Brianna Perez with our monthly Heart Health segment in collaboration with the American Heart Association. As part of today's segment, I am joined by Christine Galvez, manager of Plaza Properties. Today's topic will focus on smoke-free apartments and their benefits. So we'll start talking a little bit about how the Plaza Properties have adopted the new smoking policies.
Well, thank you for having me, Brianna. At Plaza Properties, we implemented a smoke-free policy starting last year, and we did this because we wanted to provide healthier living environments for all of our residents. And we also did this not only to protect the health of the residents, but our staff and any guests that they might have.
What kind of feedback have you gotten from your residents that are at your properties?
Actually, it's been very positive. And what we have found is that most folks, most residents in general, want to have a healthier environment. Like I said, we implemented this last year, and what we've done moving forward is with any new residents that have moved in, we've actually provided them with information prior to their move-in, letting them know that this is a pre-qualification to move into our community.
Why is it important for the residents to have this policy in place?
Well, it's actually important for everyone involved. And one of the things that we've seen is that smoke-free communities create healthy environments year-round. There's a couple of things that are really harmful, that have harmful effects with smoking, and these were things that we just couldn't ignore anymore. One of the things is that secondhand smoke. That's become a big deal. It does travel from apartment to apartment. That can travel through light fixtures, through plumbing, through walls, etc. We also have increased maintenance costs that are affiliated with folks that smoke in the apartments. And there's also fire danger. There's potential for that as well. So all these things were really concerning to us.
What is the cost associated with somebody who previously had an apartment that they used to smoke in?
Actually, those costs are pretty significant. And from an economic standpoint, this is another reason why we've implemented this program with us. We're looking at not only having to repaint the entire apartment, we'll have to replace carpets, flooring, clean air ducts, and then, of course, the time that it takes for our maintenance team to get that done.
And how is the American Heart Association a part of this new initiative?
Well, you know what? They've actually been very wonderful to work with. They have grassroots efforts here in El Paso, and they've reached out to us, and they've made this process and the program really easy to implement, and they've made it very informative for all of our residents.
And if a property owner also wants to include this initiative in their own business, how can they do that?
Well, that's also easy because all you have to do is reach out to the American Heart Association located here in El Paso, and they'll work hand in hand with every property owner so that they can get a program started. They provide signage, they provide brochures, toolkits, and different things so that they can help promote this program.
Thank you, Christine, for speaking with us today. Really appreciate your time. We'll be right back with more news.